3 begins by teaching you how to strum the guitar. So far, all you've done is simply pluck individual notes, but now you're going to strum several strings at the same time. Take the example in front of you. What you have here is an example of how to perform a strum pattern. The G equals G major, so put your third finger on the first string on the 3rd fret for your G major chord. Now, you're going to want to strum down the bottom 3 strings. The word down indicates that you should strum towards the floor. So, if you were to strum this pattern on the guitar, all you would do is strum down, 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 and so on and so forth. Strum patterns can change rhythm as shown below. These 3 examples are a good indication of what you should learn and what you'll earn on the boss level. Number 1 would be worth 4 points and number 3 would be worth 6. So take a look at number 1. What we have here is yet another strum pattern. It's on the G major chord, so you'd have to find that first. And then you would take your pick or your fingers and strum down, 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 up. The up means that you should strum the strings towards your face. The down, again, means towards the floor. When talking about strum patterns, we also want to discuss chord progressions. A chord progression is a series of chords strung together that sound pretty good. So if you look at the example in front of you, you see C, G, D, and C. 4 chords put together that when played sound pretty decent. So if you were to strum each chord 4 times using quarter notes, this would be something very pleasing to the ear. You can interchange chords in and out of the chord progression to get a completely different sound. For example, this chord progression, C, E minor, G, and D, creates a whole different sound. Take a look at what your last challenge in this quest would be. In the last challenge, you're asked to play not only notes, but chords and strum patterns. So, as you progress through Path 3, keep this in mind as you're working.